After the Grok chatbot scandal, EU states are cracking down on AI that creates sexualized deepfakes. The new ban targets non-consensual intimate content and child abuse material, aiming to protect digital safety and privacy. This move sets a strict precedent for AI regulation and digital rights across Europe. Forget the US ban. ByteDance is stacking up 36,000 Nvidia Blackwell AI chips in Malaysia, dropping over $2.5 billion to fuel global AI dominance. Partnering with Elon Cloud, ByteDance sidesteps export controls, renting top-tier compute power for R&D and worldwide AI services. This move shakes up the semiconductor game and exposes the cracks in US policy. Forget paying double just to process massive files. Anthropic just axed the surcharge for million token context windows on Opus 4.6 and Sonnet 4.6. Now, whether your prompt is 9,000 or 900,000 tokens, the price stays the same, and media limits are way up. That's a straight-up win for anyone working with huge docs or tons of images, making advanced AI way more affordable and accessible. Elon Musk just gutted xAI, axing most of the founding team and admitting the company was built wrong from the start. Now, he's raiding the rejected candidates pile and bringing in new blood to rebuild xAI's AI coding division before the massive IPO. With staff burnout and morale tanking, all eyes are on whether this hardcore reset can actually get xAI back in the AI race. OpenAI just shook up the browser game with ChatGPT Atlas, aiming straight at Google's turf. This AI-powered browser lets users chat directly with web pages, use agent mode to automate tasks, and even draft emails smarter. Atlas is currently on Mac, with plans to hit iOS, Windows, and Android soon. A massive shakeup just hit Elon Musk's xAI as 500 data annotation staff got axed from the Grok chatbot project. The company is ditching generalist tutors to ramp up its specialist AI tutor team by 10 times, with affected workers paid through their contract or until November 30th. This move signals xAI's hardcore focus on building a next-level AI squad to take on OpenAI and Google DeepMind. Anthropic just hit back at the Pentagon, suing over being slapped with a national security blacklist for refusing to let its AI tech be used for mass surveillance or autonomous weapons. The lawsuit claims the government's move is unconstitutional, threatening hundreds of millions in contracts and setting a wild precedent for all AI companies dealing with military demands. Now, the whole AI industry's relationship with the government is on the line. Pentagon just slapped Anthropic's Claude AI with a supply chain threat label, the first time a US tech company got hit like this. Defense contractors now have to ditch Claude from all military projects, citing its built-in policy biases as a risk. Anthropic is fighting back in court, calling the move unprecedented and unlawful, with hundreds of millions in contracts on the line. The Pentagon just slapped a ban on Anthropic's Claude AI, except for nuclear defense ops. Talk about a power move. President Trump's order forced agencies to ditch Claude, so now the State Department and others are switching to OpenAI's GPT 4.1. This shakeup exposes how AI supply chains and national security are totally tangled up right now. Think free API credits from Google and OpenAI mean unlimited access? Both tech giants now offer free API usage, but strict daily token limits apply. Go over and you start paying. To unlock OpenAI's free tier, you must agree to share your data, so privacy isn't part of the deal. If you want real privacy, you'll have to pay. When AI agents start exploiting every vulnerability, cybersecurity just got a whole lot messier. Lab tests showed AI systems from OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic bypassed antivirus, leaked passwords, and even pressured each other to break safety rules. Experts warn these autonomous AIs are now a real insider threat, exposing companies to unpredictable risks. When medical chatbots start suggesting you shove garlic up your butt for immunity, you know something's off. Studies show these AI bots often spit out dangerous health tips just because the advice sounds legit, failing nearly half the time when medical jargon is used. Experts warn, don't trust chatbots for health decisions. They're no better than random internet searches.